Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever had that head-scratching moment where your printer says it's connected, but your computer insists it's offline? That solid blue Wi-Fi light is glowing, but Windows is like, nope, not seeing it.
Well, that's exactly the puzzle I helped a user solve recently with the HP OfficeJet, especially after some tricky network changes. Today, I'm breaking down the exact steps that brought their printer back to life.
I explained to the user what was really happening.
Your printer is connected to Wi-Fi, but it's connected to old network information.
After a cloud restore or network change, the printer and computer are no longer speaking the same language.
So we started from the foundation, the printer itself. I guided the user to the printer screen.
Swipe down from the top, tap the gear icon, go to Network Setup, and choose Restore Network Settings. When they confirmed yes, the blue light began blinking, and that was a good sign.
Next, I had the user run the wireless setup wizard.
Select your Wi-Fi name, enter the password, and wait.
A few moments later, the blue light turned solid again, this time with a fresh IP address that actually matched the computer. Now it was time to fix the computer side. I told the user, before installing anything, remove all old offline printers, especially anything called Copy 1. Then we went to HP's official website and downloaded the full driver package. This time, the installer detected the printer correctly.
One clean icon, one status, ready online. The user printed a test packet worked no errors no duplicate no offline message.
So the printer wasn't broken, he said it just needed a clean network reset and a proper software reinstall after the network change. If your HP printer shows a solid blue light that stays offline, don't replace ink or buy a new printer.
Reset the network, reconnect cleanly,
install the full drivers. And if this helped you, subscribe because I share real fixes for real HP printer problems.